Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are reviewing phonograms. Old as in gold, olt as in bolt, ost as in post, ol as in troll, all as in ball, and ock as in chalk. Our first phonogram we're going to write is the word gold. G-old. Please write the word gold. G-old. Please underline the phonogram. Now we're going to think of a word that rhymes with gold. Told rhymes with gold. Please write the word told. T-old. T-old. Please underline the phonogram old. Gold and told both rhyme. Our next word we're going to write is bolt. B-olt. Bolt. Please write the word bolt. B-olt. Please underline the phonogram olt. What is a word that rhymes with bolt? Jolt rhymes with bolt. J-olt. J-olt. Olt. Please underline the phonogram olt. Our next word is post. P-ost. Post. P-ost. Phonogram ost. What is a word that rhymes with post? Most. Ost. Most. Ost. Please underline the phonogram ost. You're doing great. Our next word is troll. T-r-ol. T-r-ol. Phonogram ol. What is a word that rhymes with troll? That's right. Roll. R-ol. Ol. Troll and roll rhyme. Our next word is ball. B-all. Ball. B-all. We're working with the phonogram all. What is a word that rhymes with ball? Call. K-all. K-all. Please underline the phonogram. Our next word is chalk. Ch-ock. Ch-ock. A-L-K says ock. What is a word that rhymes with chalk? Walk. W-ock. Walk. Our next word is hold. H-old. H-old. Underline the phonogram old. What is a word that rhymes with hold? Bold. B-old. B-old. Please underline the phonogram. Hold and bold rhyme. Way to go. You did great. Hi, boys and girls. We're working with phonograms here on the back. We have all, ill, ol, and ol. You can see that we have a word bank. The words we have: shell, roll, troll, bill, scroll, small, hill, doll, and bowl. Okay, our first word is shell. Please write shell underneath the picture of a shell. Sh-L. Sh-L. Shell. Very nice. When you're done, cross it off. Our next word is roll, like a cinnamon roll that you eat. Please write roll underneath the picture of a roll. 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 Our next word is troll. T-R-O-L. Here it is. T-R-O-L. Troll. Bill, like a dollar bill. B-ill. Bill. B-ill. Bill. Our next word is scroll. S-k-r-o-l. Scroll. S-k-r-o-l. Scroll. Small. S-m-all. Small. Look at the small mouse. Small. S-m-all. Small. Hill. H-ill. Hill. H-ill. Hill. Doll. D-all. Doll. Doll. Our last word is bowl. B-ol. B-ol. Way to go. You did great. Keep up the hard work.